Hi guys, it's Mia and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to give recalls and mass to know for general pathology. So yes guys, I will never forget about this subject because this is the last subject for the board exam. So hindi siya mawawala sa recalls and mass to know videos ko. So ayun guys, I just want to give thanks sa lahat ng 924 subscribers ko at the moment. Okay, we are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. So please keep on liking and sharing this video to your friends. So yes guys, if you want to win the giveaway, just see the instruction on the description below. And sorry nga pala guys if I'm not that updated sa social medias account ko because busy lang sa work and sa life. Yes guys, but I will try my best to update you guys, especially ngayon na magwa 1,000 subscribers na tayo. There will be a huge giveaway guys. And yes, our next video will be about computation. So if you want to be updated, click the notification bell and also follow me on my social medias account, okay? So please don't miss any videos guys, especially sa mga takers this March 2020. Good luck guys, okay? We are all praying for you. Just give your best and yes, you will be a registered medical technologist soon. So yes guys, without further ado, let's get to the topic. So number 1 recalls for GenPath guys is, this is a type of cell death involving caspase enzyme and that is APOPTOSIS. So next guys, bloc technique is the Technique of Anton Ghon. So I'm also going to share guys yung iba pang mga autopsy techniques. So we have Technique of Rudolf Virchow. Organs removed and dissected individually in the body, and this is the most widely used. We also have Technique of Carl von Rokitansky, in situ dissection in part combined with bloc technique. We have Technique of Maurice Letoul, this is the mass technique, and then the Technique of Anton Ghon, the bloc technique. Next guys, who invented the racking or Cambridge microtome in 1881, and that is Paldwell Trefall. So nice to know guys that the racking or Cambridge microtome is the simplest microtome. Here guys, we have the other discoverers who invented the different types of microtome. So first we have Adams. He invented the sliding microtome in 1789. Next is Minot, who invented the rotary microtome in 1885 to 1886. And then we have Cuquet, invented the freezing microtome in 1848. And Paldwell Trefall, who invented the racking or Cambridge microtome in 1881. Next guys, it is the process of sealing the margins of the cover slip, and that is ringing. Next guys is a mass to know. This is the materials for specimen collection and preparation for conventional pap smear. So we have guys endocervical brush for samples of endocervical canal, vaginal scrape for hysterectomy patients, lateral vaginal scrape for hormonal evaluation, 4-quadrant vaginal scrape for localization of vaginal adenosis, vulvar scrape for detection of herpetic lesions or carcinoma. Next guys, I'm going to share to you a table of a cell cycle. So as you can see guys, we have state and phase in the cell cycle. So sa state, we have the resting, interphase, and cell division. So in each state, there are phases. Sa resting guys, we have the gap 0. In gap 0, this is where cell has left the cycle and has stopped dividing. Sa interphase naman, we have gap 1. In gap 1, the cells increase in size. It ensures that everything is ready for DNA synthesis and it takes 10 hours. Next is a synthesis. This is where DNA replication occurs and it will take 7.5 hours. For gap 2, this is where growth continues. It ensures that everything is ready for cell division and it takes 3.5 hours. Next, after the interphase is the cell division. And in cell division, we have the mitosis. In mitosis, this is where growth stops, cell division occurs. It ensures cell ready to complete division and it will take 1 hour. So yes guys, try to study this cell cycle table dahil sa board exam namin, which is March 2019, may lumabas about cell cycle. So, for March 2020, okay, baka may itatanong sila ulit about a cell cycle. Next, guys, is the cardinal signs of inflammation. Like, who doesn't even know about the cardinal signs of inflammation? I know everyone knows about it, but I'm still going to share it to you guys dahil importante po ito. So, we have rubor, calor, tumor, dolor, and functionalisa. For rubor, this is the redness, guys, and this is due to increased blood flow to the injured site. Calor is heat. This is due to increase of blood flow. Tumor is swelling, increased capillary permeability resulting to fluid extravasation. Dolor is pain, increased pressure to the sensory nerves, and functionalisa is the loss of function, destruction of functional units. So we have rubor, redness, calor, heat. We have tumor, swelling, dolor, we have the pain, and functionalisa, the loss of function. Next, guys, is the steps of histopathology techniques or the tissue processing. 1 is numbering. This is the first and most important step in histopathology. 2. Fixation. This is the process of preserving cells and tissue for examination, and this is the most critical part because inadequate fixation will result to inadequate of the following processes. And then there will be a decalcification. 3 is dehydration. Intercellular and extracellular water from the tissue are removed after fixation prior to wax infiltration. 4 is clearing. This is the removal of dehydrating agent and a replacement of a fluid. 5. Wax impregnation, replacing the clearing agent with the infiltrating medium. 6 is embedding. This is the casting or blocking. And then 7 is the blocking. 8, trimming. This is to remove excess wax. And then 9 is sectioning. Embedded tissue is trimmed and cut uniformly thin slice using a microtome. 10 is staining. 11, mounting. Use of medium and cover slip to facilitate storage and protection of the tissue section. 12 and last is labeling. This is the process of indicating the year and specimen number on one end of the prepared slide for proper identification. So that's it, guys, for the tissue processing steps. So I hope that you will try to at least familiarize this step, guys, dahil importante po ito. Next na tayo, guys. The main purpose of fixation is to preserve the morphology of cells. So what is the second aim purpose? The second aim purpose naman is to harden the tissue from further trauma. Next, guys, is the somatic death. So sa somatic death, guys, we have primary changes and secondary changes. So for primary changes, we have circulatory, respiratory, and nervous or CNS. So for secondary changes, guys, we have the mnemonics of ARALPA-DIPA. ARALPA-DIPA stands for algor mortis, rigor mortis, livor mortis, post-mortem clot, desiccation, putrefaction, and autolysis. So for algor mortis, guys, this is characterized by cooling of the body to equalize that of the surrounding environment, and this is the first demonstrable change observed. For rigor mortis, this is a stiffening or rigidity of the muscles, and it starts 2 to 3 hours after death. And for livor mortis, this is the purplish discoloration of the skin. And then we have the post-mortem clot. Next is desiccation, the drying and wrinkling of cornea and anterior chambers of the eye. And then we have putrefaction. Putrefaction is characterized by the production of foul-smelling gases due to the invasion of tissue by multiplying saprophytic organisms. And last is autolysis, the self-digestion of cells. So that's it, guys, for the 10 recalls and must to know for Genpath. But I am going to show you another table, guys, which is consists of temperatures. Since alam niyo naman, guys, sa Genpath, sobrang daming mga temperatures at sobrang nakakalito. So yes, guys, I'm going to show you a table of temperatures. So this is the table, guys, about temperatures. We have the cold knife procedure and its temperature. We have the cryostat, freeze drying, fixation, formal calcium fixation, vacuum embedding, automated impregnation, manual impregnation, embedding, and flotation water bath. So as you can see, guys, on its other side is yung mga temperature na nire-require nila. So yes guys, try to read this one or at least familiarize it because we never know, baka itatanong ito sa board exam. So another tip guys is aralin nyo din po yung mga fixatives and staining. Sa board exam namin guys, maraming tinanong about staining. So yes, okay, try to read it and i-familiarize nyo. Okay, and memorize nyo yung pinaka-common. Okay, dahil baka maitanong yun ulit. So that's it guys for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope may natutunan kayo sa video ito. So yes guys, see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!